Hello, Apex entrepreneurs. As you all know, the world is changing so fast. A lot of turbulent events can happen and change the way we do business forever. And only those who manage to adapt are those who survive, while others vanish. After what happened in early 2020, people's investing choices changed. Who would have guessed that the world would go into total lockdown for months? What happened taught people to count from 1 to 10 before opening a restaurant or investing in a hotel or in any airline stocks. Uncertainty is ruling us. But one thing remained sure. Online businesses will flourish more and more. Thus, being able to generate income from home or wherever you are is the currency of the 21st century. That is why in this video, we will give you 3 methods in which you can generate income working from your own sofa. So, if you really want to generate money online, watch this video carefully till the end. Take notes and destroy that like button as hard as you can. But before starting, you should know that in this video, we are running a giveaway. One of you will win a 15 minutes free call with our top-ranked business consultants to guide you into how to create your first stream of passive income. To enter the competition, you just have to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us what your main goal is. Super simple. Next week, we will be announcing the winner's name, so stay tuned. So, the first method to make money from home is to create online courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare. Millions of people are visiting these websites every month, searching for courses to learn from. A fraction of those will like your course and enroll in it. And each time someone enrolls to your course, you will earn money. Well, there is a lot of work up front, and it is not a get-rich-quick method at all. But if you manage to create a quality course, you can earn money while you sleep, or while you are watching your kid playing football. So, if you have created 10 quality courses, and each one of them is generating $250 per month, you will end up making $2,500 without lifting your finger. And guess what? Anybody can do it. You don't need to have a degree from MIT to succeed in this business. All you need to have is a specific knowledge in a certain topic. And it could literally be any topic. And don't worry. You don't have to promote your courses, and you don't have to show your face. You can just create an animated course like this video. But the thing is, the majority of people end up failing. They upload a low quality course. So it could be a guy just filming his screen and talking for hours, repeating the same idea, and saying, every now and then, or maybe a super boring PowerPoint presentation that will drive you to sleep just after 2 minutes of watching it. These people end up not making any money on Udemy and Skillshare. And this is totally expected. This is not how you succeed. Actually, to help you succeed in this type of business, we have prepared for you a free video course in which we will give you 5 essential tips to succeed selling your courses online. All you have to do is click in the first link in the description to watch this free course. You will learn a lot from our course, so don't hesitate to join and destroy the like button if you haven't destroyed that yet. And by the way, if you didn't watch our last video about how much money we make from Udemy and Skillshare, just click here and watch it. The second way we recommend to make money from home is affiliate marketing. And let me explain it simply. Let's say you like a certain product or service. You recommend it to others. Some of them will buy, and you earn commissions. For example, in the description of this video, we recommend you to read books that will help you to achieve financial freedom. If you bought one of the books through our links, we will earn a commission, and it will not charge anything to you. So, how to make money with affiliate marketing? First, you have to subscribe to your affiliate marketing programs and get your links. Second, you have to create content. It could be on YouTube or on a blog post, and use your links to advertise for a certain product. Of course, it should not be spammy. You have to provide value first and then do the advertisement part. One of our favorite ways to do affiliate marketing is to do it via our Udemy and Skillshare courses. We insert our links there and some people will click and buy, and we earn commissions. Another way that works is to join Facebook groups in your niche. Try to comment and be active on posts. Provide value first, because otherwise they will kick you out of the group. And then insert your affiliate link. And there are a lot of ways to make money with affiliate marketing, and we will be tackling them in other videos or courses. That's why it is very important for you to be subscribed to this channel so you don't miss any future content. The third way to make money from home is coaching or consulting. Yes, when you master a skill, you can do online coaching and charge per hour. I'm not talking about making $10 an hour. I am talking about high-ticket coaching programs where you can make $100 an hour or maybe $500 an hour if you're good. So let's say you're a programmer who masters Python or C++. You can give online lessons, and you can also find companies that have problems to solve related to Python or C++ and help them to solve their problems. If you're a dietitian, you can give online consultations for your clients. And there are also plenty of ways which you can use to get clients. And one of the ways is publishing courses on Udemy and Skillshare. If you have quality courses, people will quickly understand that you are an expert and that you can help them solve their problem. I know all this could be overwhelming and complicated for some of you, but you have to take action and begin somewhere. That's why we've prepared for you a free course to teach you how to create your online courses and sell them online and earn passive income. It's totally free, guys. So if I were you, I would be jumping quickly to watch it at this exact moment. This is far from being a get-rich-quick method. There's a lot of work to be done up front. So if you're willing to work and then enjoy passive income falling into your bank account, all you have to do is to click here or in the first link in the description to get access to our free course. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment in order to take part in our giveaway. By the way, if you're still here while the music is running, here are 2 videos that you'll love watching. The first one will show you how much money we made selling online courses, and the second one will show you how to become a millionaire in your 20s or early 30s. Just click on either one of them on the screen right here.